Every chemical synthesis starts with a proper planning. So what you have to do first is you need to define your starting material, depending on the target compound. The next step is you need to identify the key bonds which need to be made. And you need to think about how to make these key bonds. And the last thing is you need to adjust the functional group. Afterwards, you do your synthesis and you get your synthesis mixture. And in this mixture, you have your target compound and you have your impurities. And you need to get rid of these impurities. The most efficient or the easiest way to get rid of these impurities is to do flash chromatography. And you, as the chemist, you perfectly know which kind of environment your target molecule loves. Is it more unpolar or is it more polar? And then you go for TLC, for thin layer chromatography. You screen for different solvents, you screen for the gradient and for the stationary phase. And then you are actually perfectly prepared to go for the next step. And this is defining your flash method. And then comes the moment of truth. You do your first flash separation and you look at the chromatogram and you think, I don't get it separated, my target compound from the impurities. And that might be the moment where you get nervous because you think, oh my goodness, I need to go back and I need to do the screening again. It's so time consuming. But the thing is, with the Pure Excellence, you don't need to be nervous. Because the Pure Excellence allows you to go the easiest way to improve your resolution, to improve the separation. And why? Because you can just decrease the particle size of your silica, and this is the easiest way. And now you might say, yeah, but why? How is that possible? Well, because Pure Excellence is so powerful. It allows you to decrease the particle size of your silica by half, and even so, this has an impact by a factor of 4 under pressure. It allows you to do this. There's another thing. You might be worried that you maybe don't see all your impurities in your chromatogram when doing the flash chromatography. With the Pure Excellence, it's not a problem because you can say, okay, besides the UV detection, I just add the LSD detector. And then you will almost see any of your compounds, of your impurities. Maybe you say, hey, I not just want to work with 2 solvents. I want to add a third one. I want to add a fourth one. It's no problem with the Pure Excellence line. Just go with the quaternary gradient feature and you are on the safe side. If you want to know more about this topic, just visit our website or contact us.